Okay, so I have completed the Tunisian interlace square between the two triangles. Let's see if I can get the other triangle to uncurl. There you go. Okay, so you have the beginning triangle at row 3 and the square triangle that you'd have in between all of the triangles in the row. And after the last square, you bind off nice and loosely. So now you're left at the end of the row with the square and a triangle like this. So now what we're going to do is put another triangle down this edge. Okay. So you start as you normally do, in through this stitch, pull up a loop, and the next one, pull up a loop, all the way down the edge of this row, the previous row. Hopefully your bind-offs aren't too snug. So once you get down, you should have 11 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. Then you yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time, all the way up. Back up at the top by the square. Okay. Now you go through the vertical bars again, same as before, pulling up a loop, except this time you don't go all the way down to the end. You go through just 9 of the vertical bars. Alright, which would leave 10 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one right there, 10. Okay, so now you have 10 loops on the hook. Yarn over, go through 2, and start pulling them off again. It's hard when it's so small. Thing curls on you. The curling should stop once. That's just a product of the yarn, but once it's big enough, its own weight will keep it from curling. Okay, the next step, go back through the vertical bars. Now you're going through the next 8 vertical bars. So you're slowly counting down to 1. Okay, now you should have 9 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and back up 2 at a time. Okay. Now through the next 7. Oops. You should have 8 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And then yarn over and through 2, all the way back up to the top, until you're left with 1. You can sort of see how that edge is forming there, I think. Okay, now through 6 vertical bars. Okay, let me see if you can sort of see how that's forming. Okay, now through 5. With 6 on the hook. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. Oops. There we go. And so on until we get down to 1. So you can see what I'm doing there. Okay, 4 bars, should have 5 on the hook. Yep. Yarn over, go through 2, through 2. Okay, so we're getting close to the tip of the triangle. You can see how that's forming, I think. We should have 3 vertical bars now. 1, 2, 3, yarn over through 2. Okay, through 2 vertical bars. Three on the hook, through 2, through 2. Now we have 1 vertical bar left, yarn over, which leaves us 2 loops on the hook, so we just go yarn over, and there we are. That's the tip of the triangle. Let's see if I can show you. So now you've created the triangle at the edge. Let me see if I can. So that's the end of the row, triangle. You can see that how that formed. Okay, leaving a nice space for a square in the next row.